Промоклила. И еще шоу. Это нокаут. Да, тяжеленный нокаут.
Холотяна.
Это тяжелейший нокаут.
Вроде бы пришел в себя. Уже вот он сидит на коленях, на коленях.
And makes a statement in his Professional Fighters League debut. Oh my goodness, Eve. It's over! Lights out in Lake Tahoe! And Grant puts Patterson down! Over and out! Welcome back to the LFA Octagon, Derek Grant!
Huge power. I hope Patterson's legs are all right. This guy, don't sleep on the main event. These guys are hammers, ton of experience.
There it was. You look at his leg, Patty. All that. It's tucked up under the weight of the bone. That is a textbook upper finger.
Navarro's on the back foot. Now he's throwing those knees. He's getting this. Unbelievable. It's incredible.
I am speechless right now. Road FC 52.
There it is.
That one right there. That was just amazing. Just amazing. He knew he was out. He just knew right away. It was so solid.
Llegando al cuerpo a la izquierda. De frente a por la vía del knockout, count. La victoria para Jesse Strider. ¡Qué clase de gancho de izquierda, señores!
Justamente lo que decía, un peleador compuesto, él sabe cómo esperar, va con una combinación que empieza al cuerpo, cuando baja los brazos, lo conecta arriba a Batín González, espectacular.
He may get it, you know, he's got the power to do it, but he needs to set some stuff up. There it is.
That is all!
Watch how he sets this up. Watch. See how he punches deliberately to the side of the head, opposite from where the kick's gonna land. Watch it. Watch it again. Boom, make him move the head out and then throw the kick behind it. That's how he set up Franco, basically. And Franco bid on it. If there's people at home doing homework who might be fighting Curtis Millender, you might want to pay attention to how he sets that one up.
Absolutely.
Lands a big overhand right and knocks out Dennison. Oh
Just
my
like
God.
that. Quick.
Wow, Wuhan making a statement there. Cobra Kai is not just about
That is it. As he went and charged, then Sarnowski unleashed the right hand, connected with Arno Petilla, and lifted him off his feet. Bang!
What a beautiful overhand land, just a walk-on finish.
And that's devastating.
Oh, he's so You're up with the head kick.
Good right body kick.
Oh my goodness! Who would have expected that? A shot here, a shot! Unbelievable. Boom! Down to the canvas.
it is. Watch Cody Williams dropping that left hand, throwing that rear uppercut, and lead right into that nasty elbow.
With timing like that, he shouldn't be Brazilian, Pat. He should be Swiss. That was just exquisite.
Quick way to take it down.
Cruzado do Beata, passou no Baci, sentiu, hein? Tá sentindo o Beata. Já saiu de rota o GPS. Vai terminar a luta. É game over do Django. Daniel Henrique, arrasador, triturador.
Přečítané tempo, Togo, brutální který by s tou ukončil tento zápas.
Z zemarské práce bude mít i něco ve svých
children to leave the room. That is as clean.
Hopefully Chris is okay. Like I said, he landed kind of awkwardly on that knee, and it was a big knockout to the temple right there.